So I've just come to the allotment after the week. It's for Christmas being. And I've just seen the compost. Look at that. That had a brick up against it. And was properly secured down, and they've burst out of that. I mean, it's not the wind, I know I've had bad wind, but there's no way. I didn't think rats were that strong to be able to knock something burst up. I mean, you can see that brick was pushed right up against it. I think I've just annoyed them. I feel like that brick's moved as well. Could be wrong. So last time, I got a video somewhere, there was a carrot in the middle of that, but you can see where they've been digging. Well, they've just been having a fun old time in that. Which is why I've brought my poison. Which I need to see at the box. No, I thought someone had gotten that trap, but there's nothing in that. They're setting them off. But somehow they're setting them off and then not getting caught in it, which I don't know how. This is the main hole I thought they were using. I feel like they've stopped using it because I've kept putting traps there. And that hasn't even set off. And to me, this has been the main one they've been using, but I think they've got sick of it. Can I see it around the corner? No. I'll show you until I take this bait station with it, because I know that had been emptied out. Pop that down there. But I've noticed back here oh, you bug, I heard noise there. They've been digging there. So there's a hole under there and it's going underneath this. I could have sworn I just heard something scurry there. So I did get another bait box. I think that's big. If they can get the head through, the whole body can get through. I've also got the poison. So I'm thinking of still putting it down there because there's no food's there. But you're meant to put it within 5 metres or 10 metres depending on the thing. I don't want to put it too close to the chickens. But there seem to be a hole there. And if I'm trying to get them in the runs, I should really put it around here because they use the outside. They tend not to run across. Just ignore me, broad beans. They seem to have died off. That frost has took a couple of them. That one there's gone. A few of them are alright, but the rest of them, I think they want you to cover crops. So yeah, I'm thinking maybe there and try and catch my 2 different points. I'll fill these up when I get baddies. So there we go, blocks are in. It says to put 6 to 10 blocks in, depending on the infestation. Mine's, I would say, high, so I've put 6 in. Both of them. That one's a bit of a smaller one. But I'm just going to put them 10 metres apart now. So probably where I had it behind the shed. And over there as well. Like it says, the birds kind of get to them. Hopefully, with us putting more boxes down, that'll stop them a bit more. I'm going to have to put more feed in the traps. Hopefully with the winter there's not as much food. They must be getting desperate with them doing that to the compost bin. So that's the first one down there, which they normally use this exit from that hole, so hopefully that'll start getting in soon. There we go, and I've just set the other one up there, which I think this is a run that they use going along the side as well. Has anyone else had success dealing with rats? Because there's been a problem in here for a while now. I'm going to try peppermint spray, but I don't know how effective. I've literally just took some pictures of underneath the shed to see if I could actually see anything. I'll put it up now, but like you can see, there's nothing there. So I thought they were nocturnal. I thought there was a nest or anything. I can't see anything underneath there. Thanks for watching. I hope everyone's had a good Christmas, and hopefully we'll be able to get some planting seeds down soon, which I will be in the propagator, so it won't be too long for me, probably in the next 2 weeks or so. I'm looking forward to that. Anyways, thanks for watching.